Hi there, welcome to the Housewife Cave. My name is Penny. For those who are new here, I do cooking videos, a little bit of DIYs. I do also hair, a bit of hair, that is, and a bit of vlogging. So now today, I'm going to show you how I make these yummy chapatis. I made them using pumpkin. If you know, you know. Pumpkins like the ones from Halloween. Okay, pumpkins, malenge for the Kenyan, my Kenyan people. So see how soft they are. Okay, let's get into the process. With me here is a pumpkin. I'm going to use 1.5 pumpkin. I didn't measure it, so I don't even know the weight of this pumpkin, but they were it looked like let's say a medium-sized pumpkin. So first I'm going to remove the seed, and I realized this pumpkin was not the best for boiling and just eating it. It was soggy. As I boiled it, it became soggy and it absorbs a lot of water and retains it. So I decided to use it for making chapatis. This type of pumpkin is usually like that, and I don't usually want to use it or eat it as it is. I have to make it with something else so that I can take it. I'm going to boil the pumpkins until they are soft and mushy, and I'm going to add in some salt and water so that it boils and becomes soft, and I can mash it and use a sieve to pass the cooked pumpkin through, so that it gives me that soft, smooth paste. I did have to transfer that pumpkin into a bigger pot, a pressure cooker, so it can do the work much faster. I'm mashing this pumpkin, and as you can see, it is releasing a lot of water that had absorbed inside the pumpkin. But it's not a problem. I'm going to just use it with the water like that. Now this is the end result. As you can see, the mashed pumpkin is now soft with no lumps. I'm going to add in some oil and then add in wheat flour, all-purpose flour, and I'll be adding it bit by bit until I get the consistency I need. Now at this point my dough is ready. I did add some bit of oil and then knead it for a while, and this is the result that you're seeing here. I'm going to divide this dough into 2 equal parts, then roll it out. Take one part, roll it out into a big circle, then oil and divide the dough into several what? No, you'll just see what I'm going to do here. But I'm going to divide it, then roll it, and then form a dough, a ball of dough. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a red button on your right side corner just below the video. Click on it, turn it gray, and beside that red button there's a bell, a small bell. Tap on it so that you're notified each time I upload a new video. So here is the chapatis, and as you can see, very soft, and of course the taste is excellent, nice, tasty. Yeah, the kids will love it, even the adults, everyone will love it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. See you in the next video.